Nitong nakaraang buwan lamang ay sinubukan ng aking opisina na humingi ng datos sa PNP tungkol sa illegal na droga mula 2016 at ng iba pang datos patungkol sa nationwide crime statistics. May balak ba ang PNP na mag-comply ng data request ng aking opisina, ng aking committee, ng Public Order and Dangerous Drugs? Ang hiningi ko lang naman ay crime statistics. May danger ba ang national security dito sa crime statistics na ito? Every now and then, pinapalabas ng PNP yan eh. Yung nakatatlong padala na ako ng letter, wala man lang nihaw-niho na para naman ako hindi former chief PNP na binabaliwala yung committee natin na humihingi ng data. Yun lang naman sa akin. Mag-comply lang sana, good sponsor. Nung ako'y chief PNP, Mr. President, I was an opposition senator, Senator Drilon, required me to submit data. Right away, na-require niya ako umaga, pagkahapon, ganyan kakapal na data yung dala-dala ko dito, sinabit ko kay Senator Drilon. Pero in my case, I don't know if the PNP is considering me as an opposition senator right now. But nakatatlong request na po ako. Nitong nakaraang buwan lamang ay sinubukan ng aking opisina na humingi ng datos sa PNP tungkol sa illegal na droga mula 2016 at ng iba pang datos patungkol sa nationwide crime statistics. Hiningi rin ng aking opisina ang datos sa bilang ng surrenderies, arrest, deaths related sa illegal na droga. Specifically, my office sent the letter request on August 19, 2024. Again, on October 17, 2024. And again, on October 22, 2024. Until now, my office was not able to receive this data. May we know from the good sponsor kung may balak ba ang PNP na mag-comply ng data request ng aking opisina, ng aking committee, ng Public Order and Dangerous Drugs?
Your Honor, I was informed that the reason why some of your communications were not outrightly given due course was because of the existence of an executive order, number 2, coming from the Department of Justice, that some information might be privileged as regards national security. Your Honor, I'm just reading here something furnished me.
But Mr. President, good sponsor, ang hiningi ko lang naman ay crime statistics. May danger ba ang national security dito sa crime statistics na ito? Every now and then, pinapalabas ng PNP yan eh. These are official documents. These are official documents that should be available to the public.
Your Honor, I was just informed that your letters, though it might include some gray areas that would require compliance with Executive Order number 2. They would comply, Your Honor. They would comply. I have good news for you.
Well,
they would comply.
If that is the case, I hope that the office of the PNP should also reply. Kahit na mag-reply man lang na magsabi, sir, we cannot do this because of the following, ganito, ganon. We are liberal enough to accept your explanation. Pero yung nakatatlong padala na ako ng letter, wala man lang nihaw-niho na para naman ako hindi former chief PNP na para man lang binabaliwala yung committee natin na humihingi ng data. Yun lang naman sa akin. Mag-comply lang sana, good sponsor.
May we know, Your Honor, kanino pong opisina pinadala yung liham na 3?
Of course, it's course through the office of the Chief PNP.
Chief PN.
Coordinated din po sa Rizal.
Lahat po daw ng mga sulat ay inaaksyonan ng within 5 days kasi merong batas po tayo na 15 days maaksyonan. Pero titingnan po, wala pong sangayon po sa Chief PNP, wala po nababasa pang liham na
Wala.
na
Nakatatlong
nakarating
liham na ako.
tatlong
Ha?
sulat.
Paano ito?
We'll check the document tracking system, Your Honor. Kung
Kasi kanina sinasabi po na may gray area daw. Paano naman may gray area kung hindi nila nakita yung letter?
Kaya nga, I'm wondering why the good sponsor stated that one of the reasons na hindi sila nakasubmit sa committee ko ng mga data because of the gray area that you've been citing. Gray area. Eh paano nyo nalaman yung gray area kung hindi pala kayo nakatanggap ng aking letter? Di ba? Nakatatlong letter na ako eh. Tapos sabi nyo may gray area. Tapos ngayon sabihin naman nyo na hindi nyo natanggap sa opisina nyo. Which is which?
it was misinterpreted, Your Honor, because you were referring to consecutive letters. So nalipong na sa Bisaya. Yung ano ba? They will try to secure yung sa tracking po kung kailan yung October 2024 was just of recent vintage, bago lang November lang ngayon. So siguro matetrace na nila, and then the Chief PNP agreed that ilang oras niyo po gusto mag-reply, Your Honor?
Hindi naman ako ganun ka-stricto. Kahit na next week, Monday, kung kaya nila. Yun lang naman, data lang naman yun eh. Monday.
Sasagutin na po yung liham niyo next week. At kung ang suggestion ko nga, bukas na. Kung kinakailangan. Pero
Just give them enough
payag
time.
na po kayo next
Hindi
week
ko
sa
na po
Lunes.
madali. Monday, okay na ako
Monday.
Monday.
Senator Tolentino, kahit next week na basta sagutin kaysa bukas tapos ang sagot because of Executive Order number 2, hindi ka namin pwedeng bigyan. Next week na basta may sagot.
So sasagutin na po eh. You have the assurance of the Philippine National Police.
Thank you, Mr. President, good sponsor.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Agnes Padilla, PNP Chief Marby is hiding something. Ayaw nila mag-comply kasi masisilip nyo ang data na hindi tugma at mabubuking sila na hindi nila ginagawa ng mabuti ang trabaho nila. Pahayag naman ni Dimon Yesco, lumalabas na ata ang tunay na kulay ng PNP Chief. The design is very protector, nakakahiya kayo sa dating naging Chief PNP. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Ivy Zamora, the PNP Chief is very concerned on the killed drug addicts, PNP is to serve and protect, live up to it. Mabuhay ang mga tunay na pulis. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.